Hey friends, if you wish to fix system protection background tasks srtasks.exe high disk usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and go to run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay. The next solution is a clean boot on your system, but this has to be performed after the SFC scan because it's an issue with the specific file. We will try to fix that file first. After that, we will try to eliminate the interfering program. So as for the clean boot, you will have to search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Now go to services. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. And the last solution is system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Select this, click on next, and then finally click on finish. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.